Hey everybody, we are getting ready to go head out on our excursion. We just docked a few minutes ago. We got about 15 minutes before they open up the gates and the gangway so we can get out. But we're gonna go to VIVO Beach Resort and check out that. Kind of interested to see what it's like. It had 3.5 stars on Carnival's reviews. Kind of leery, but we'll see what we get. Nothing else really piqued our interest, and we didn't want to just walk around town aimlessly. So we're going to check out the beach resort. Hopefully I can get some drone footage done and some underwater video done. But let's go head out to VIVO Beach Resort in San Juan, Puerto Rico. we're back at the port. We went looking around, but there's nothing to look at. There's nothing. There's a very, very, very small duty-free shop if you're looking for some alcohol, but that's about it. And like a little, very small convenience store that sells a few little trinkets. So if you're looking for some souvenirs, your best bet's to go across the street to the Walgreens. And they have the best selection around. There were some little tables around outside, but they're mainly just selling jewelry. So if you want anything different, you're gonna have to go to Walgreens, and you're gonna pay Walgreens prices versus local prices. But I had fun on the excursion. I would do it again. Would you do it again?
Yes, I would do it again.
Yeah, she would do it again. So it was fun. Unfortunately, I couldn't do any drone photos because we're right by the airport, but made the best of it. Until next time.